Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And this is last week's spread, March 28th through to April 3rd, where I used bits and pieces of the Teal Peonies collection, I guess, from Winterfield Studios, along with some anemones from According to Ali. So this week, for the week of April 4th through to the 10th, I will be using my new Cherry Blossoms collection. This will be out in my shop on Thursday, April 7th. So you've got the Cherry Blossoms deco, which I'm so happy with, the Cherry Blossoms circles, the paint swatches, as well as the quotes. So these stickers are what I will be using in my HOBONICHI Cousin weekly spread, as well as my daily journaling spread. And again, these are available in my shop as of Thursday, April 7th, and they can come in either clear matte or white matte. All right, let's get started. So the washi that I will be using is this one from According to Ali. This was from her first washi release sometime last year in 2021. And I thought it would go perfectly with the greenish olive, no, the brownish olive green in my, oh my gosh, I can't even talk and put a washi down at the same time, in my Cherry Blossom collection. And if you had asked me, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. If you had asked me a year ago if I could draw or paint cherry blossoms on Procreate, I would have been like, no, not at all. It's not something that I ever saw myself doing. Like even just this time last year, I was still just doing brush lettering. I was still learning how to do brush lettering on Procreate. So for me to have created a collection from cherry blossoms, or in Japanese it's sakura, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this collection. Anyway, I'm a little proud of it, if I can say that. So what do I want to do first? I'm going to remove these because this is just me pre-planning for the kids' appointments next week. I'll put that to the side. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and I'm going to write in meals at the bottom, and then I'm going to cover it using my Cherry Blossom paint swatches to create a little bit of a header. I'm already loving the way that looks. So pretty. So then on the side here, on the sidebar, I'm going to zoom in. And again, using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, I'm going to brush letter in the word sleep and then create a graph for the hours of sleep that I get along with the days of the week. And this is where I keep track of my sleep score and how many hours of sleep I get per day. And the pen that I'm using today is my new Pelikan M400 in the tortoiseshell white. I absolutely love this pen. The next thing I'm going to put down is my workout. So again, with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, I will write in the word workout and then write in my schedule of workouts for the week. I really love the color of that ink with that. I think it looks so beautiful. Okay, so now down to the bottom corner where I have room to add some decor. I'm just thinking, I love this big sticker and I don't want to cut out any part of it. So I'm going to peel this very carefully. And I wanted to create one big sticker similar to when I created those rainbow leaves. I wanted to create one big sticker that you could place at either the bottom of a HOBONICHI week spread, for example, or put this down at the bottom of a journaling spread. So let's place this here. Oh my God, I'm already in love with it. I'm gonna have it come down off the bottom a bit. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love that. I don't even know if I'm on screen, but I love that. I'm going to, do I want to add anything else to that? I think I'm going to leave it. Now I know that I'm covering up the area where I need to put a to-do list. Totally okay. I can make it work. So let's zoom out. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is write in the word work Monday through Friday with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and then again using the paint swatches as headers, and then I'm going to draw in the arrows for when my work shifts are. This is really actually easy for me to do. In terms of time blocking, this is one of the few things that I really do time block and try to keep to that schedule. And then everything else that I do pre-plan, then I can put in at the actual, or at the supposed scheduled time, but most things I kind of try and fit in where I can. And I just remembered Robin has an appointment there, so I need to do some changing around. So what I'm going to end up doing actually is just covering that up with whiteout. And I'm going to go in with a quarter box sticker from the Happy Planner to write in Robin's appointment. And then I can continue with putting down my work shifts. And actually this works out really, really well because then it really stands out. So now going in with the mini paint swatches. I'm going to take another quarter box from this Happy Planner sticker book and place it on Friday for Henry's appointment. And I know these boxes don't fit in here because the columns for the Hobonichi are much smaller than that, but so now I know I have a to-do list that I need to do here. So I think what I'm going to do, normally put the to-do list up here. And I realized I've like removed any place that I can write what my husband and I watch for movies, but I can put the to-do list up here. So what I'm going to do is take one of the Cherry Blossom paint swatches, place it up here, and I'm going to take my to-do script stickers and just place it right on top. And then just write out my to-do list right underneath there. So I've moved it around a little bit. And what I normally do before my to-do list is I meal plan and order groceries. And then the groceries are picked up by my husband on Thursday evening after work. And see, there's still room for me to write where Lucy and I are going to go for a walk. Are you whining? Lucy is under my desk right now, having a bit of a whine. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the day today and add in things like garbage day. I always remind my husband on Tuesday evening, even though I know that the garbages aren't picked up until Wednesday morning, I remind him on Tuesday evening to put out the garbages, because having to remind him if he's rushing around first thing in the morning is not good. And then, so that was a little garbage day doodle from Coffee Monsters Co. Then I'm taking this grocery doodle sticker from the Sticker Genie, which unfortunately she's no longer, her shop is no longer open. So I'll write down pick up groceries on the Thursday. And I always think having emojis just helps brighten up the spread. And then, where are we here? And then on Friday afternoon is normally when I film my plan with me. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. And these are just YouTube foil stickers from Tasseled Planner. Again, I don't know if her shop is still open. I bought these ages ago. I went through a whole phase where I was using a TN, a traveler's notebook, and I wasn't using Happy Planner stickers. I was just using sticker kits, and I went through all of that for a good year, really. And I still have a lot of those stickers left over from the smaller shops. And it's bad that I don't know if most of them are still open. But anyway, what else is happening? I think, oh, Henry has his first wall climbing lesson on the 9th, so I need to find a way to write that down. All right, so I found this winter functional palette from Create with Mandy. I'm going to just place the dot here because Henry has wall climbing. That mostly matches. So 10 to 11:30. And it's just amazing to me that Henry is such an avid wall climber. He does it so well. Then on Saturday evening, I don't have any plans that I know of except for, hold on, drum roll please, laundry. I know I'm boring, sorry guys. So this cute little sticker from Paper Bits Co. And I'm going to brush letter in fold laundry. I know it seems boring, but there is actually something really satisfying about being able to fold laundry while watching a movie. Anyone else feel that way, or is that just me? Just me? Okay. And then Sunday morning is our usual cleaning day. I love these Paper Bits Co. stickers. The reason why, like I said, is because she looks like me. When you have stickers that look like you, you want to try and use them as much as possible. So I'm so happy that Paper Bits Co. has stickers that look like me. Now I need to double check something. Yes. Okay, so I'm just writing down the list of chores that we have to do on Sunday. All right, so now that that is written in here, I feel like I can do a little bit more decoration. So I'm going to take one of these really pretty circles, place one. I feel like that's too big now to place on. Maybe I could certainly place it here over the calendar. Why not? And then I'm going to place a smaller one. Yeah, I'll place a smaller one here with a little bit of this washi from According to Allie. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Then I'm going to add, I'm going to save those for the daily spread. Then I'm going to add one of these. I think I will take this one, just place one here. Oh, I love it. Then I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna just leave that for now, and any other stickers I want to add, I will do so in the week. So let's just straighten this out here and zoom out a bit. And that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love the stickers so much, and I know in the Before the Pen spread, I don't load this up with stickers. At the beginning of the week, it looks pretty blank, but then when you get to the end of the week, it looks closer to this, where I start filling it in with things that I've done, and it just becomes a little bit of an overview memory planner, which I love. So it starts off the week being very before the pen, and then as the week goes, I fill in things as it happens. But I love the base of this spread so far. I'm just really happy with how the Cherry Blossom collection turned out, and again, they are available in my shop as of Thursday, April 7th. Again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.